Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself with AI effect on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application and I'm going to create new project on InShot. I'm going to select video and then I'm going to select new, and you can choose the video of yourself you want to clone with AI effect on InShot. And for the video, I'm just going to choose a video from my download folder. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this video. Okay guys, and wait, I'm going to adjust the canvas. Alright, and I'm going to show you how we can clone ourselves using the AI effect on InShot. We can go to the effect menu and then select the AI effect, and here we can choose the clone category. And as you can see, there are some effects we can apply to our video to clone ourselves. You can choose the effect that you like. You can select multi, shadow, motion, or color. And I'm going to show you one by one. This is for the multi effect. Here we can adjust the angle and also the value like this. Okay. And then I'm going to show you the shadow effect. For the shadow, we can only adjust the value. We cannot adjust the angle. Okay, and motion. For the motion, we can choose how many clones we want to add and adjust the value as well. And then the last one is color. You can also adjust the value and then adjust or choose how many clones you want. Okay, and for example guys, I'm going to apply this effect. I'm going to adjust the angle like this and adjust the value as well. Okay, now it's done. And don't forget to click on the check mark to apply the effect. And then I'm going to make the effect align with my video, so we can drag the effect like this. Okay, now it's done. And this is the final result. Now the clone effect has been applied to my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to clone ourselves using AI effect on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!